Stop by and take a look at the 2026 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.